So I have the sauce that I'm making, the marinara from Rouse, simmering. As I've already teased, I am going to compare it to their marinara that's store-bought to see which is better. I kind of already know theirs will be. So what I'm going to do now is I'm making the meatballs. And you take 1 pound of ground beef. It's supposed to be a half a pound of pork and a half a pound of veal, but unfortunately I don't have veal. So I just did 1 whole pound of the pork. 2 eggs, parsley, which I've already diced. Speaking of that, that is the equivalent of about 3 garlic cloves. And then, very important, what they call a cup of Parmesan Reggiano, which I'm going to just do by eyeballing, which is the way I make everything, which drives my wife crazy because she knows that if you follow the recipe, you get better results, but that's just not my thing. And then once all this is in here, the last thing I'm going to do, and I'm going to do it by photos, is you add 2 cups of breadcrumbs and then you slowly mix in 2 cups of lukewarm water. So that's very interesting. Add some salt, add some pepper, mix it all up, and then we'll make the meatballs.